Section 4.3, writing equations in point-slope form. Essential question. How do you write an equation in point-slope form? So just like slope-intercept form and standard form, point-slope form is a way to write an equation for a line. So point-slope form is y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Just like in slope-intercept form, m is always our slope. And then x1 and y1 are a coordinate point. So if you have the coordinate point x1, y1 that falls on the line, the x coordinate goes in here, and then the y coordinate goes in here. And then we'll do lots of practicing of filling in this equation in the examples. All right, so we've got a grid here with a bunch of different points, a bunch of different slopes, and we're going to put them all in point-slope form. So we're always going to start off with y minus. So it goes y minus our y coordinate point. So our y coordinate point is 3 equals my slope, which is 2, times x minus my x coordinate, which is 1. This is point-slope form, so you're done right there. So then I'll do that again for the second one, y minus, and then again I can label my coordinate point, y minus, so my y coordinate is 5, equals my slope, which is negative 3, times x minus. Now this time we have an x value that's a negative, so it's x minus a negative 2. So I'm actually going to turn that into a plus. So in my parentheses, it's x plus 2. All right, third one, y minus, my y coordinate is negative 1, so I'll have a plus again, equals my slope, which is 1/2, times x minus a negative 4. Y minus 0 equals negative 2/3 times x minus 6. Y minus a negative 2 equals 7 times x minus 0. Y minus 8 equals 1 times x minus 9. And y minus a negative 6 equals 3/4 times x minus a negative 7. So there's a bunch of practice writing equations in point-slope form. So now we're going to actually use this information to help us graph. So this question says write an equation in point-slope form for the line, then graph. So point-slope form, I'll do the exact same thing as I just did on the last slide. Y minus, my y coordinate is 1, equals my slope, which is 3, times x minus 2. Now, if I want to graph, I'm going to start with the ordered pair, so 2, 1. And then I'm going to rise 3, run 1. Rise 3, run 1. And I'm going to do enough dots until my line hits the y-axis. All right, second one, write an equation in point-slope form for the line, then graph. So y minus a negative 3 equals negative 2 times x minus 1. So this I'll change into a plus. And then if I want to graph this line, I'm going to graph the ordered pair 1, negative 3. And then my slope is negative 2, so I'll go down 2 over 1, down 2 over 1. And I usually, again, try to make enough dots where my line will cross the y-axis. That line isn't too straight. I'll try a new line here. Yeah, my line doesn't want delete this, try my line again. There we go. That line looks much better. All right, once again, point slope form. So y minus a negative 5 equals my slope of 1/2 times x minus a negative 3. Turn both of these into pluses. And then to graph, I'm going to start with my ordered pair, which is -3, -5. And from that dot, I'm going to rise 1, run 2, rise 1, run 2, rise 1, run 2. Y minus 5 equals -3 over 2 times x minus a negative 2. And I'm going to graph my ordered pair, -2, 5. And then rise -3, so go down 3 over 2, down 3 over 2. So there's my line. Summary.